I'm Nishant. We are part of Team Crystal. We're doing this project to study the consumers' awareness, expectations, and perceptions regarding Nokia's with Windows OS. Now, we'd like to conduct an in-depth interview with one of our respondents over here, Mr. Vinayak. Let's go ahead and start the interview now.
Hi.
Hello, Vinayak.
Hi.
Thanks for taking part in this interview. Uh, to start off, Vinayak, what kind of mobile phones have you been using?
I've been using Nokia E5 and the Nokia old models.
Mm.
And apart from that, I am consistently using Nokia phones.
So, what's your opinion on the current handset which you hold?
At present, I have a Nokia E5, which is one of the smartphone released last year, and it's been pretty good experience.
What do you think are the highlights of your phone which supersede the other options?
I usually use this phone for checking my mails and using applications like Facebook, all those stuff, and for sometimes for gaming. So so far the experience has been pretty fine.
Okay. So, what are the other smartphones that you are aware of apart from this?
Apart from this, the famous one is iPhone, and the recent Samsung Galaxy has been pretty much very big hit, and BlackBerry and STC mobiles.
Yeah. So, regarding the Nokia handsets, even when you purchased the device also, have you been aware that Nokia is actually launching a phone with Windows OS?
I read Economic Times, so I came across the news that it's being launched in India and it will come sometime next year. So I'm looking forward to the release to see what are the new features in it.
Okay. Do you have any kind of an idea as to what kind of features is Nokia with the Windows Mobile is offering?
Usually, I feel Windows OS is Windows OS whatever. I think they are mainly focusing on email features most, because most of the users of smartphone want that particular feature. Apart from that, I guess they might be featuring something like multimedia applications and some apps like Apple and maybe some games as well, like App Store, whatever App Store has.
Okay. So, with your understanding and the fact that you have actually come across, what do you think would be the selling point for Nokia with Windows Mobile? Can you actually pick out a single point or probably give us a couple of them?
Okay, and probably they should maybe focus on the apps, because Apple has been huge hit because of its App Store, and whatever Nokia comes up with the Windows OS, they should be mainly focusing on that particular front, and I hope they are doing it. And apart from that, many users of smartphone focus on gaming. So how the interface, the visual appeal of the phone should concentrate on the gamers as well.
Okay. Now that you have mentioned about a few features of the phones as such, how do you actually rate the current phones? Let's say you take Apple iPhone on one side, then probably you can take BlackBerry and some of the other phones which you have or which you have come across. Probably can you just give us the background as to how do you think what phone rates well?
Okay. Apple, as such, as everybody in the market knows, that its innovativeness is the supreme of that Apple products. And as well, of late I have heard Samsung Galaxy has been very good in terms of its interface and those stuff. And BlackBerry, though it was majorly the email features, recently there have been many outages of BlackBerry, which has brought bad news for it. So I feel so far, in considering all the parameters, Apple still ranks high in the order.
Okay, so if you have to pick up the best smartphone, let's say your picking order for the top three phones would be the current market.
Apple iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and probably BlackBerry.
Okay, so if at all Nokia with Windows has to position itself to beat the top position or probably be in the pecking order of those three, what do you think they have to do?
I think they should focus on the interface part and the integration of all the applications on the phone, and probably something similar to App Store is a must. And for gamers, the what do you call, the interface and 3D features, they all should be good on new Nokia OS, Windows OS phone.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Vinayak, for your insights. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.